I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over how you can stay tapped into the trainings and meetings. There's lots of updates going on with Builderall all the time. It's an ever-evolving, ever-changing platform, which keeps up with the times. Unlike a lot of other platforms who stay as they are, they stay stagnant and stale, Builderall is always improving and always innovating. So you're going to want to keep up on what's happening. Luckily, there's a weekly webinar every single week for the business, and you can access that weekly webinar at 10 AM Eastern Time every Monday. So to get to the weekly webinar, you simply come to Builderall Business and then weekly webinar. And then at 10 AM every Monday, the weekly webinar will broadcast here. It's also broadcast on the YouTube channel, and that's where you can keep up to date on new trainings and tutorials that come out as well. So we're going to jump over to the YouTube channel now. So we're now on the official Builderall YouTube channel, Builderall USA. And as you can see, there's a load of training and a load of videos uploaded very recently, 5 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 13 hours ago. So there's always new stuff being added. If we go to the videos here, we can see just how much training is added. Just a few for the last couple of days. So all the weekly meetings, all the new trainings and stuff will be all on the YouTube channel, so you can keep up to date with everything on the official YouTube channel. You can also keep updated in the official Builderall Business Facebook group. So in this video, we went over how you can stay tapped into trainings and meetings.